Bitcoin ready to break all the way up to maybe the 12K area. We're going to take a look at the charts, see what might be going on, and see if we can get a clear direction on what Bitcoin might be doing here in the near term future, probably within the next couple of minutes. Probably by the time you're watching this video and by the time I upload it already, Bitcoin might be well on its way into some of these higher areas as of right now. We're currently getting a little bit of a break right now on some of our, let's see, if we turn off all the EMAs. And we'll leave this on right now. So we can currently see that on our Cipher SR on the 15-minute time frame, we are getting a clear break to the upside as of right now. Currently retesting, putting in another big body candle, retesting the 11.5K area as of right now. We are also seeing that the bulls are in control of this market with them sitting above our VWAP, which is right at about 11.2K. And we've had this clear trend line break here on the 15-minute time frame. This has been a really nice time frame to trade on too as well. We can kind of zoom out here and see that we've had two clean trend line breaks here with some nice pushes to the upside. So it does look like we are getting another trend line break with another push to the upside here. Money flow on the 15-minute is looking relatively healthy as of right now too as well. Looks like money's coming back into this market given our sell-off that we had back down here when we retested all the way back down to 10.8K pretty much. So we are currently seeing money come back into this market before the week's over. So it's currently Friday as of right now, and we are, it is Friday the 31st. So we're getting ready to start off a new week or a new month tomorrow. And we're going to take a look at some of these higher time frames to see what they might be telling us on how much more bullish Bitcoin actually is. So let's go on into the 30-minute time frame here, see what's going on. 30-minute time frame. It does look like we are having that clear trend line break here that was kind of holding us down at the top of this triangle. I did have this triangle kind of drawn out in a symmetrical style here on the 30-minute too as well, you can see. And then as we start to zoom out a little bit more, you'll be able to tell that the symmetrical triangle and where our price target might be for that too as well. But I did signal this trade to the group already, so the group's already in with me. They're ready to rock and roll and maybe have us push up a little bit higher here in the near term future. So keep an eye out for that. But yeah, this is looking like a nice little break to the upside here with the symmetrical triangle. We actually drawn this out, I believe, a video ago or 2 videos ago, the symmetrical triangle and where we might be expecting a break. And it does look like we are getting that as of right now. I thought that we would consolidate out just a little bit more, but it looks like we're getting a pretty big break right now to the upside. We've had 3 tests on the upside here. Third test clearly broke through. We've had a couple of tests on the bottom side here. We had a wick through here, but didn't quite equal out to anything. So now we're just seeing that consolidation into this wedge, and then now the clear break there too as well. Going on into the 45-minute time frame, we'll turn off Cipher SR and we can turn on our Aldo EMAs and get an idea of what might be happening here. So yeah, we're definitely seeing that trend line on the 45-minute as well too, and it is getting a nice little break to the upside here. So we're looking roughly to about, I'd say 11 or probably high 11, maybe 11.8 or so if we get a clear direction here. And actually one of the on the 15-minute, there was a break that led us to probably about 11.3K. And I was interested in taking it last night. I was just so tired that I didn't take the trade after all. But, price target for here would probably be almost in the 12K area too as well. So by the time you're watching this, we could be pushing up quite a bit higher. But it does look like we are getting ready to probably have another big push to the upside here. Money flow is looking kind of bleak. That's the only thing I'm kind of curious about. And I don't want to get overhyped about this just yet. I definitely think we're probably going to have a little bit of overhead resistance, and we might be able to find some of that overhead resistance as we start to zoom out on the charts. We're getting a nice another big spread here on the EMAs on the 45 minutes as well too. And then as we start to go into our 1 hour time frame, we see what's happening here. So our 1 hour time frame also creating the spread again on the EMAs, getting that nice break there as you can see, and then also seeing our money flow kind of wanting to move into the reddish area and then now moving back up, maybe putting in maybe getting ready to pump up a little bit more here. So I think as we start to move out into these mid time frames as well, we'll start to see that this money flow is still keeping the market afloat as of right now, and people are definitely starting to move into this asset just a little bit more. or into this currency pretty much, right? So I think August is looking to be a substantial percentage of gains if we continue to play this just right. And so you can also check out, we'll look in the 90-minute time frame, and then we'll go into our little do dance with what we want to talk about. On the 90-minute time frame, you can see the symmetrical triangle that we did draw out yesterday on our video is now getting the break, and I thought we would consolidate out a little bit more. I think we were like right about here in yesterday's video, and then we had a little bit of a sell-off to retest this line, and then after that we clearly broke above that above some of these trend lines on the lower time frames, and they sent us up a little bit higher here too as well. So money flow on the 90-minute definitely looking like it's wanting to sell off just a tad bit, but this could just be where we start to thin out and then we start to move up a little bit higher, because as we start to zoom out even on some of these higher time, or on some of the mid time frames and higher time frames, you can see that our money flow is still looking really healthy here. Even on our 2 hour, we're still getting that nice EMA spread for us to continue up to the top side here, and really just finding support on our EMAs whenever we are in a parabolic bull market, so to say. But definitely look like we're ready to probably push up a little bit higher here, or find this trend line here as support and continue to ride a little bit higher too. So you can reference a few different things as support and resistance if you'd like, such as the EMAs, trend lines, whatever you'd like to do. But those are just some key options that I use too as well. So I did want to let everyone know about some of the things that we offer here on the channel. So if you are brand new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated. And I didn't even hit our intro. So here's our intro. Let's go through it. All right, so we're back after that nice little intro there, but I was super excited this morning to start to see Bitcoin pump a little bit. So everyone, if y'all are brand new to cryptocurrency in general, we offer a course that is going on we are running a sale on it right now. So there's an early bird special on the Path to Cryptocurrency course. You can check the links in the description box below if you're interested in signing up. It just basically tells you how to get started in this market, how to stay safe, how to store your crypto, what exchanges to use that are the most reliable. And then I give some reviews on different altcoins that I've been in and out of, and then how to maybe stake your coins on some of those different platforms as well too. But if you're interested, we do have the special going on for Path to Cryptocurrency. It's a one-time payment only, and then once you pay and you're enrolled in the course, you'll be updated on all the new course material and modules that we produce going forward in the crypto space. And then also we have our private trading group, which I did signal a little bit of not too long ago, and I'm keeping them up to date with all my moves and coming in and out of this market. So if you want to follow along with me and trade with me, feel free to join our VIP membership with the Patreon link below. And then you'll have access to the private Discord group. You'll have access to all my private analysis every single day. There's a bunch of different perks and rewards that you can get. So check out the second link in the description box if y'all want to join the Patreon trading group page. There's about 20 different private videos in there too as well. Everything from all the altcoins that I'm getting into to some other commodities and assets that I'd highly recommend that y'all check out. And then we also have our YouTube membership, which is available. It's a little bit cheaper than the Patreon private trading group. You won't get access to the private Discord server when you join the YouTube membership, but you'll get access to all my private videos that I make. So I make a few different private videos here and there, and I'm willing to share those with the YouTube membership page too as well. So if you'd like to sign up for that, it is a little bit cheaper, and you'll still get access to all my private videos in there as well too. So definitely check that out if you're interested. And then we are on our way to 3,000 subs pretty soon. So I just want y'all to help support the channel. If y'all could at least throw me a like, or at least comment down below and let me know that you're enjoying the content. You can comment down whatever, if it rained in your city last night or something like that, let me know. But we are on our way to 3,000 subs, and we are doing a $100 giveaway in one of our favorite altcoins. So I want to make sure that y'all are qualified for that. And in order to be qualified for that giveaway, you need to be signed up for the newsletter. So make sure you're signed up. We'll do the random drawing live on the channel when the time comes, but the channel is growing, so thanks for all the support. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment something down below, and then subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I'm trying to stay consistent with the videos here lately, so you'll be getting content every single day if you stay subscribed to the channel. And so looking at our 2-hour time frame as of right now, we are getting a nice little push to the upside and finding support on our key EMAs here, probably even on our 4-hour, probably finding some nice support. Definitely looking like we are ready to push back to the upside. Money flow is looking really, really good on our 4-hour too here as well. And then we'll turn on our Wells buy and sell signals, which is a custom indicator I teach you how to set up inside of the Patreon page as well too. Using custom parameters. This definitely helps with our trading strategies and learning a little bit more about these markets as well too. So looking at the 4-hour, we're currently seeing another nice push to the upside here on the 4-hour, and things are looking pretty healthy. Still in a bullish count here too as well. Let's go on into our 6-hour, see what's happening. 6-hour, nice little buy signal here to probably push us up a little bit higher. Green dot also with the money flow moving in the top side direction is looking really, really healthy for these markets moving forward. We're probably just going to keep an eye out on this trend line here to see whether or not it breaks. If this does end up becoming a rising channel or somewhat of a rising wedge, then we could possibly see a break to the downside. We've had the aggressive 13 to the downside here, but no sign of a huge sell-off just yet. It'll more than likely probably be an extended bull count here on the TI sequential. But we can definitely keep an eye out and probably anticipate a little bit more of a higher move to maybe create somewhat of a rising wedge. As you can see here on the 8-hour, we have a pivot trend line for us in the purple. That might be telling us, okay, get ready if this is a symmetrical or rising wedge, that we could end up breaking below it and possibly, break down to the bearish side and maybe retest like 10.5K again. So that's a possibility. We need to be very aware of that. We probably want to see a clear break above this this wedge pattern up here too as well. It does look like we are seeing a little bit of rejection as of right now, but we're gonna have to wait to see how this wants to play out, maybe on the 8-hour, and then go up a little bit higher. So let's look at the 12-hour here as well. 12-hour also giving us an extended bull count as of right now. No sign of a buy signal on the 12-hour just yet. I do believe that we did have the buy signal all the way up until our 8-hour. But yeah, we're still looking like it's pretty clear skies for Bitcoin as of right now. We're looking for that break probably up to the 12K area sometime soon, maybe over the weekend, and see what we can get from there. So let's go on into our 21-hour and see what's happening. 21-hour also seeing that sell signal on the 21-hour, but this VWAP is looking like it's ready to clip back to the upside, maybe give us another green dot there as well too. I did want to take a look at our money flow here on the 8-hour, 12-hour. It's all looking pretty good. It's looking like it wants to move back to the upside here too as well. So let's go on into our daily time frame, see what's happening. Daily time frame, you can see a little bit of overhead resistance on our purple pivot point right here as well too. The money flow is looking okay. It's still looking pretty thin for right now. So we are going to be relatively cautious moving forward. But we're probably anticipating one more move to the upside, and then we'll have to reevaluate the market from there on out. And then, we're starting to get these buy signals on these higher time frames. So these can clearly not be ignored right now. VWAP on our 2-hour or 2 day, is clipping to the downside as of right now. So we'll have to kind of gauge this and see how much more bullish the 2-day could be, although our money flow is still looking relatively nice here and looking like it's still wanting to push probably to the upside just a little bit more. So let's go on into our 3-day time frame. And our 3-day time frame also giving us that nice buy signal there too. Our blue wave is still moving to the upside as of right now. We probably want to get above the 60% mark here on the 3-day, and then maybe we might end up seeing a red dot or something like that. So I did want to let everyone know that the public Telegram group is available for everyone to join. If y'all are interested in just becoming part of the community or a little bit closer to the community, join the public Telegram group, link in the description box below. And then also the public Discord and Telegram group, links in the description box below. Usually on the Telegram group, I'll update news articles and stuff like that too as well. So you can stay up to date with us on there if you're interested. And then also we use the private, or we use the premium plan on TradingView. If you are using Market Cipher, I would at least recommend that you use the Pro or the Pro Plus plan. It allows you to have a few more indicators on the screen, such as the whales buy and sell signal, and then also the Aldo EMA. So be sure to check that out as well. So looking at our 3-day, I mean, it's looking pretty nice. We're getting these buy signals popping off now. So that's probably going to indicate a nice little bullish move for us in the future. We'll just have to be cautious of some minor pullbacks maybe, and play it out from there. But we're always expecting pullbacks, but Bitcoin's still looking relatively bullish as of right now, and clearly breaking some of those lower trend lines. And even as we get higher on some of these higher trend lines, like the 4-day and the 5-day, you can clearly see that we are starting to break above it. So we'll want to see a clean close above 10.8 on the weekly charts and some of these higher time frame charts as well too. But more or less, all that has been said. So we're kind of looking for another push to the upside here, maybe over the weekend. The CMEs will close. We already have a gap below us, a pretty big gap. So whether or not that's going to fill, that's yet to be determined. Honestly, we're trying to fill the gap at 11.8. I think still that gap at 11.8 is still there. So we'll have to, see if we can fill that here relatively soon. Going on into the weekend, and from there on out we'll have to reevaluate the measures on the charts and go from there. So thanks for joining back, everyone. If y'all are interested in trading with us, feel free to join the Patreon page. It is available. So and once you join, make sure that you give me your Discord username, and I can give you access to the Discord server in the private category on there. But other than that, I think we're going to go ahead and sign out here. So don't forget to comment something down below to help the algorithm out, help us grow to 3,000 subs, and make sure that you are subscribed and you're liking the videos each and every single day. And with that being said, I'll go ahead and see you all on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.